Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Measure ingredients precisely and mix a simple batter for stovetop hot water cornbread. Use 1 cup cornmeal, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 egg. In a separate cup, heat 1 cup milk with 2 tablespoons melted butter until warm but not boiling, then stir into dry mixture until just combined. Do not overmix. Let batter rest for 10 minutes before cooking so cornmeal hydrates and the baking powder activates for a tender crumb. Preheat a 10-inch heavy skillet for a few minutes, then heat 2 tablespoons oil in a 10-inch skillet over medium heat until it shimmers. Pour batter into the center and tilt to spread, creating a 3/4-inch thick cake. Smooth the top with a spatula. Lower heat slightly, cover the skillet with a lid, and cook covered 8 to 10 minutes until edges set and the bottom turns deep golden. Peek once to ensure it is not burning and adjust heat as needed. When the bottom is golden and the top is set, flip the cornbread to finish cooking. Flip the cornbread using a plate or lid, then slide back to skillet to sear the second side. Cook uncovered on medium-low for another 4 to 6 minutes until the second side is golden and an internal temp reaches about 190 degrees F or a toothpick comes out with a few moist crumbs. Cool 5 minutes before slicing. Serve warm with butter, honey, or a savory topping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.